Hello, my name is Rob Groper, and I'm delighted and honored to serve as the incoming editor-in-chief for Circulation Cardiovascular Imaging, one of the leading journals in the use and application of imaging in cardiovascular disease. The success of this journal is a tribute to the outstanding work of Marcello De Carli and his entire editorial team, as well as the contributions of the Scientific Publishing Committee of the AHA and the contributions from Groper Publishing. My goal for the journal is for it to be the most influential source of leading-edge imaging sciences content that transforms cardiovascular care. You know, it's interesting. We see that the importance of these journals only continues to grow. And the reason for these are manyfold. We now see we need advanced multimodality imaging tools to understand fundamental disease mechanisms in humans. We need these tools to help us drive clinical drug development and evaluation, and ultimately we need them to make precision medicine a reality for an individual patient. So in the next minute or two, let me just describe some of the strategies we're going to employ that allow us to reach our goal. First, given the globalism of medicine and cardiovascular science, we must increase our international presence around the world. And we have done numerous things to enhance this capability. First, our editorial team will be composed of numerous content experts from various world areas that will be interacting with you to help, one, describe the journal attributes, but also to identify content that you may have that may be of interest to us at the journal, and they will then expedite the process of evaluating that content for the appropriateness of publication by the journal. A second strategy is to improve our interface with you. You know, good communication requires seamless interaction between the provider of content and the consumer of that content. We will design our web interface that will allow for 24/7 access to all of the journal content, whether it be on a laptop computer to a smartphone. Similarly, we will have a robust social media presence. This will go beyond the conventional Twitter and Facebook to, one, allow for wide dissemination of the content of the journal, but also to stimulate robust discussion of ideas and topics that are contemporary to our users. We will also offer CME. The CME will be offered to both our readers as well as to our reviewers. By offering this capability, we are adding added value to both the users as well as the contributors of the journal. Finally, we will also be streamlining the review process. Clearly, this is a goal for all journals, and we're no different in that regard. Key initiatives that we will employ will include increasing the rate of rejection without review, but with that decision, provide those authors with the reasons behind those decisions so that they can improve the paper for perhaps publication in a different journal. Similarly, we'll have very active and hands-on presence by the associate editors as they manage an individual manuscript. And again, when we communicate with an author, there will be a summary statement by that associate editor that provides the key points to the author so they can feel comfortable that they are responding to the key issues when they resubmit a paper to us. So those are just a few of the things that we will be employing, and the success of those are clearly dependent upon an outstanding editorial team. And our editorial team is indeed composed of international experts from around the world who are committed to the success of the journal. So I invite you to visit our webpage and follow our developments over the course of the next year or two. I believe that you will find them of benefit to your clinical practice or to your scientific endeavors. Thank you.